Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me here again, Fatima. Today I'll be making some mbahal. I have my locust beans here. I already washed everything. So for non-Gambians, so that's the name. Some people call it Iru. That's the one. And then in here I've got some of my Scotch bonnet pepper. You can put as many as you want, depend how spicy you want your mbahal. And then I have spring onion here. I have my salted fish. That's the one here. I try to save this one to show you guys. So that's the if you have the Gambian gager, you can use that one as well, but I don't have that one, so this is what I have. So that's what I'm going to be using. Yeah. And then I have my peanut, my raw peanut. I'm going to be putting it in my food processor, and then I'm going to be blending it into powder. And then that's my Maggi aroma here. That's my seasoning, the purple seasoning. That's the one here. We have onions, pepper, a lot of things. We have it. And then I'll be using my crayfish. You don't have to, it's optional, but I always want to be using my crayfish inside it. And then for seasoning, I have some salt here as well. And then when I finish, I'll be putting everything in my freezer bag, and I'll be freezing it. Moving into here, I have my fish. I already smoked them, grilled them, as you can see. That's my peanut here. I'm going to blend everything till everything gets smooth. That's my smooth peanut. So I'm going to put it like that. I'm going to steam it here like so. I'm gonna cover it to steam. At this point, my peanut is getting cooked. You see that? It's nearly getting cooked now. I'll go ahead and mix everything. See that? It's coming up. I'll cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes. Now I'll go ahead, I'll add my blended locust beans, spring onion, pepper, salted fish. I'll add it now. So everything will be steamed together. And then on top of that, I'll go ahead as well and add my seasoning, my Maggi aroma. This is like amount of big 2 tablespoons. Some seasoning salt into that. I'll be adding some little bit of salt, like 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah. At this point, I'm not gonna mix it. I'll just leave everything to steam together. I'll just cover it. I'll go ahead now. I'll mix everything together. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. So I have to mix everything now. I will go ahead. I'm gonna be adding some dry locust beans, the dry one. I'll mix everything together. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my fish. and then I'll mix everything together. That's my mbahal is now ready. I'm gonna leave it to cool down and I'll put them in the freezer bags. That's my... So now my mbahal is cooled down now, so I'll go ahead and put them in my freezer bags. So just put the amount that will be enough for you. So anytime I want to cook mbahal, I just take it out of the freezer. I'll just boil my rice and then I'll put it on top of my rice. When I used to be in the Gambia, every Friday I have mbahal. That's every Friday. It's not like tradition, but I think because on Friday everybody wants to rest a bit. That's my mbahal now is ready, so I'll just go and put them in the freezer. So anytime I want to cook mbahal, I'll just take it on one of the packets and just use it. Thank you everyone, thank you so much, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, thumbs up, like, comment, stay blessed.